In this video, I'm going to talk you through the process of setting up and configuring your Amazon seller account. First, let's look at the two different account types, business and individual accounts. The first question you're going to have to answer when setting up an Amazon account is which account level is right for me. You can choose between the basic and professional levels. Here is a list on this slide of the ways in which these different account types differ. Firstly, listing fees. On a basic account, there is a 75p fee which is payable when the item is sold, plus the referral fee, which is typically around 15% but does vary per category. For the professional level account, there is no fixed fee, only the referral fee to pay. For the basic account, there is no ongoing subscription fee, but for the professional account, there is a £25 fee per month. For the basic account level, you can only create products manually one by one, but for the professional level, you can upload files to create multiple products at once. For the basic account, you can't set your own shipping rates. You can only set the shipping rates that Amazon provides you with. But for the professional, you can set up shipping templates that can be attached to products which set the shipping rates. Finally, the buy box. Basic level accounts are not eligible for the buy box, only professional levels account. In summary, if you're going to be selling more than a few tens of items every month, Amazon says 35, you should really opt for the professional level account. Now we understand the different account types, we can look at the process of setting up your account. To start setting up your Amazon seller account, head over to sellercentral.amazon.com if you're in the US, or amazon.co.uk if you're in the UK, etc. And then click sign up. You'll need to log in with an existing Amazon account. So I'm just going to log in using my account. And then you'll be taken through the account setup process. So we need to select the country which we're based in. I'm based in the UK. And business entity type, where you'll probably be a privately owned business, or you might be a sole proprietor. It's best to sell for a privately owned business opposed to a sole proprietor, because if something goes wrong, it'll be the company and not you that is liable. We're entering the business name. You'll then be asked to enter your business information. You need to enter this business information carefully, referring to your business documents. When setting up an Amazon trading account, you will need to provide your business trading details. This will include your company registration documents, a utility bill showing the location of your business, your business bank account, and also a valid credit card which can be charged. Quick tips for setting up your account. Bear in mind, you're only allowed to set up one seller central account per region. So you can set up one per EU, one per US, one per Japan, etc. If you set up more than that, you're in danger of having your accounts shut down. You've been warned. The information that you submit should match. So for example, the address on your utility bill and the address on your business should match completely. Otherwise, there may be a delay in opening your account, or it may not be opened at all. Amazon doesn't allow you very many ways to customize your account. It tries to keep it almost as anonymous as possible, but you can set your seller name to identify your account. You can write some business policies and also an introduction to your business, and you can add a logo. And now we're going to have a quick look at where this is done within Amazon. Now you have your account set up, let's go through the process of configuring your account. If we go to settings, and then we go to your info and policies, here we can upload information to customize your user ID. So for example, you can add information about the seller, HTML editing box here. You can also add a seller logo. And you can add information about, for example, returns and refunds, shipping, privacy, etc. If we go to settings and account info and click on your seller profile, we can change information like the display name, the contact email addresses, and also the address for the account. This can be done, in this case, this is a combined European account, so you can do it for all the different linked European accounts. Let's just have a quick look. Here we can edit the address and the reply to emails. If we click here, we can edit the name. Best to try and choose something descriptive and easy to remember. Finally, let's look at an Amazon combined seller account. This enables you to access Amazon accounts from multiple countries from the same login. Amazon has created what are referred to as combined EU and North American accounts. This means that from a single login, you can access different Amazon countries from the same interface. This has certain benefits. For example, the inventory across these countries is shared. So if you list 3 items in the UK, it will also show as listing 3 items in France, Italy, Germany, Spain, etc. This means that much lower chance of overselling. In Europe, there's something called Pan-European FBA, which we'll come on to later. Instead of paying a fee for each country, you will pay a single fee per account. So you'll pay a single fee for the European countries and a single fee for the North American countries. And account info is also shared. Now let's take a quick look in Amazon itself at the features of the combined accounts. You'll see here at the top, there's a drop down which shows all the different countries that have been combined together. In this account, which is my personal account, has the European countries here, the North American countries here, and also some other accounts that we have registered for. The European and the North American accounts are combined by default. These other accounts have to be added in separately, and I'll show you how in a moment. As I mentioned, the inventory is shared across the combined accounts, so the European and the North American accounts. So if I was to change this inventory number here, it would update on, in this case, all the European accounts, and it would only need to be changed once, and it would appear across the 5 connected territories. If we go to settings and we go to account info, there's certain things which can be edited in one place and will change across the accounts. So if we click on seller profile, we can see the information here for all the European accounts, which can be edited in one place. If we go back and click on bank account information, again, you can have one bank account which can be assigned to countries within the European zone, and that's the same on the North American zone as well. Also, what you can do is if you've got a North American account, a European account, and the other countries, you can combine them together into a single login, and that's done here under global accounts. And additional accounts can be added, and then you can, when you log in once, you can then choose the countries from this drop down here.